Welcome 9th standard. We are going to learn exercise 2.2 to 2.5, the questions which are similar. So the first question is, find the value of the polynomial. One polynomial is given and they gave the value of x2. Just we are going to substitute this value of x in this polynomial and we are going to find the value. That's all. Same question they may ask like this. Instead of giving the value here, they may give within a bracket this p of x or p of something, one variable, any variable denotes a polynomial. Either they may give value like this, or they will mention within this bracket, and or instead of that they will give find the value of k. In this we have k, so find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor, or otherwise find the value of k. This is also finding the value of k. Instead of giving like this, they will give the value of x directly here, or find the remainder when it is divided by like this. All this type, just we are going to substitute the value of the variable in the polynomial and we want to find the value. That's all, very simple. So always take the given polynomial as p of x. Since variable is x, so we are going to take the variable as x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Instead of x, we want to substitute the value of x as 1. So p of 1 is equal to 5, 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. Just simplify, we will get the answer. So 5, 1 square is 1. So 5 into 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 7. 5 into 1 is 5 minus 3 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, the value of the polynomial is, therefore, the value of the given polynomial is 9. It's all very simple. Same method, instead of giving value like this, they gave within bracket. That's all. So what we want to find? We want to write the polynomial p of y is equal to y square minus y minus 7. Here variable is y. That's all. So instead of y, what we want to substitute? We want to substitute 0, which means 0 square minus 0 minus 7. 0 square is 0 minus 0 minus 7. 0, 0, no, nothing. It's not, 0 means nothing. So leave off, the answer is minus 7. Therefore, the value of the given polynomial is minus 7. That's all. Same method, here we are going to find the value of k. If they ask us to find the value of k, here also two different methods are there. First, let us see this one. This is similar to this. So p of x is equal to 3x square minus 7x plus 5 plus k. If they ask us to find the value of k, only one thing we want to add, that is write the polynomial and put equal to 0 for the polynomial. That's all. Only this we want to add. And as usual, instead of x, we want to substitute 1, which means 3 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 5 plus k is equal to 0. First simplify this. 3 into 1, 1 square is 1. So 3 into 1 minus 7 into 1 is 7 plus 5 plus k is equal to 0. Simplify all this. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 7 plus 5 plus k is equal to 0. 3 plus 5 is 8 minus 7 plus k is equal to 0. 8 minus 7 is 1 plus k is equal to 0. We want to find the value of k. So transpose this one. This side becomes minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, k is equal to minus 1. Only one thing we want to add when compared to this method. That is, if they ask us to find the value of k, write the polynomial as it is and put equal to 0. Then do as usual normal procedure. From that, simplify all the values and transpose, then you will get the value of k. So this is value k, value of x is given directly, so we are substituting here. In this case they ask us to find the value of k, but they didn't give the value of x directly. Instead of that they will give like a linear equation, linear polynomial. So if it is given like this, first write this small polynomial and put equal to 0. Anyway, to find value of k we want to put equal to 0 for this polynomial also. X value இந்த கொஷினில் டைரெக்டாக கொடுத்ததுனால டைரெக்டாக நம்ம இங்கே சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம். இந்த கொஷினில் டைரெக்டாக கொடுக்கல, அதுக்கு பதிலாக ஒரு சின்ன பாலினாமியல் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதனால் ஃபஸ்ட்டு இந்த சின்ன பாலினாமியலேருந்து எக்ஸ் வேல்யூ நமக்கு தெரியாது, அதனால் இதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம எக்ஸோட வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ எக்ஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு transpose this -1 this side becomes +1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Now only we found the value of x. இப்போ தான் நமக்கு value of x கிடைச்சிருக்கு. இப்போ இந்த value of x as usual நம்ம இதில் substitute பண்ணிக்கலாம். So to find the value of x, we want to write the polynomial as it is. The polynomial is 4x cubed plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. To find the value of k we want to add one thing, that is put equal to 0. So value of x, just now we found the value of x is 1, so substitute here 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus k into 1 plus k, 4 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 4 plus k is equal to 0. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k is equal to 0. In this case need not to do all the calculations. Here plus 4 and minus 4, so it get cancelled. Or if you want you can add as usual also, no problem. That is 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 4 plus k is equal to 0. 7 minus 4 is 3 plus k is equal to 0. Transpose this 3 this side becomes 0 minus 3, that is value of k is minus 3. Or you cancel also, you will get the same thing. Therefore value of x is minus 3. That's all. In this question they gave the value of x directly, here they didn't give. From this we want to find the value of x, after that only we want to substitute in the polynomial. Same process as we did here we are going to do here also. That's all, very simple. If they ask us to find the value of k or find the factor, find the remainder, everything is same, only substituting the value and finding the answer, that's all. So same process, they didn't give the value of x directly, so we want to find the value of x first, which means x minus 1 is equal to 0. From that find the value of x. After that want to substitute in the polynomial, that's all. 2x square plus x plus 1. So value of x is 1 again, so 1 power 4 plus 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 power 4 is 1, 1 cube is 1, minus 2 into 1 square also 1 only, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. That's all. So remainder of this is 2. That's all, very simple, just substituting the value and finding the answer. That's all. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.